Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. First I'll start by cleaning my hands, and you all know that drill, right? So now let's open this bad boy. These are my brushes and I will wash them separately because it's just too many of them and it will take me some time. I take this rubbing alcohol and I just open my whatever eyeshadow I have lying around and I just spray that alcohol on. And then I close the box and let it sit somewhere safe. And I do that with all my stuff, everything. This way I think you can make your makeup last longer. And even my foundation sticks. I haven't bought new makeup for a long time and I don't really know when I'm gonna buy new makeup because I have so much lying around and I feel I need to use that up, you know? Why buy something new when you have all that shit lying around? And these are my powder puffs. And these I have to wash by hand. And that goes for these beauty blenders too. It's better to wash them by hand with some soap and water and just clean them. Open up the box and just spray those germs away. And especially in this day and age we are living in right now, this is really something to be considered. Nail polish remover, contour and highlights. Clean up the bottle and put it in its box so it will be safe and clean. This is a sponge for your brushes, which you may need to wash by hand. This is the MAC paint pot. I also put some rubbing alcohol on that. Glue stick. These are my lashes. Just for fun, I'm gonna spray them too, because who knows, right? Who knows what they've been through, even though they've been lying here most of the time, but these go right on your eyes and you really need to keep them as clean as possible. Because the eyes are very sensitive, it's the most sensitive part on your face. Glitter, nothing to do there. It's not a cream nor a powder, and I don't really use it that much. This is white eyeshadow, some mascara, although these will probably dry out if I do that, but I don't care. I really don't care at this point. I want it clean. You know, I haven't done this in, I would say 3 months. Spirit gum, Spirit gum, nothing to do here. Lipsticks, I don't really use these, but nevertheless, they have to be cleansed. Another glue stick. Even these pencils, I like to go in and just spray them down like there's no tomorrow, because they also go down, they're also going in on your eyes, so don't ever forget. This is a black liner, cream liner, and it's probably gonna dry out, but I don't care. So this is my little orange color, which I used to cover my little beard, my little lady beard. This also has to be clean. Powders, clean them up. Another eyeshadow palette. Needs to be cleaned as well. Highlighter palette. Ugh, I hate these little brushes that comes with. I really do hate those. Loose powder, not really. And also these setting powders, I just leave them like that. And the tools, all your tools need to be cleaned. Spatula. This little brow set or brow kit. Ooh, I really need to empty this. And yet another eyeshadow. This is glue, but it's unopened, so this is very old, so I really don't know whether I should throw it out or just, keep it. This is Prosade remover. This is my MAC black liner, or it's almost empty, but still. Clean that up. Eyelash glue, I don't do shit with that. My whorish red lipstick, I cleaned that up too. This is a Thierry Mugler nail varnish in gold with a hint of perfume. It's really nice, but I don't do anything with that. And nothing with this black varnish either. This is my silly sponge. I really prefer these to these. These are old. These are so much better. They feel more natural in your hand. They cover more. They don't suck up the product. These are good. More glitter, nothing to do here because it's dry product. I don't use that as much. Only when it's, a really special occasion. This is white color, white cream color, and that needs to be cleaned as well. Orange lipstick, which I used on my beard to cover that gray tone. I think I throw this away, really. Let's take a cleansing wipe and I just go in here. And lastly, I take my rubbing alcohol and just spray the box all together. And let it dry. And now my box is clean, my makeup is clean. Thank you for watching. Wash your hands. Ciao.